Good evening from Grand Valley Farm. It's March 20th, 2025, around 5 p.m. Oh, these pigs are cold. We're working on moving wood from the front of the house down here. Yeah, a better place to put it. I get it cut up, split. Got a pretty good pile going on here. All the way down the hill. So it's about feeding time, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the tractor away. Back down here and feed. That'll motivate the little piggies hearing the golf cart. They don't know what to think of the tractor. Well, we'll see if they move. I hear the golf cart coming. I think it's a lunch truck. Yep, see that? They know the noise of the golf cart. It's dinner time. I'm calling it a day. I still got more wood up front and needs to be brought down here. All the animals are watered. They all have their hay and their grain. So right now they're nice and quiet. They're happy. The weather's been not too good for the first day of spring. We did have a little bit of sprinkles coming down. Supposed to have had some rain too, and that was probably around noon, so it wasn't too bad. Yeah, a lot of tractor work done up in the front area, move some dirt and all the firewood. So I am tired, my back's killing me, so yeah, catch you next time.